Being a dad, the working years in family life are long. Working hard every day with no appreciation. You feel like a machine. So do something you'll love and get the credit for. Get 100% of the credit for the hard work that you put in by starting an online business. I have 3 videos that will show you how to build an online business from scratch. Just click somewhere around this video and claim your free copy. These videos will open a door to a digital world of possibilities. And I won't lie to you, it will take some hard work. But working hard is what you do, right? Only now you can work hard for yourself with integrity and pride. Check out the videos, and if it's not for you, then no harm. Sound fair? Currently every day is the same. You're working hard, just working hard in the wrong direction, building someone else's business and dreams. Nothing's going to change unless you change it. In today's world, it's easier than ever to build a successful online business. And these videos give you all the information you need at your fingertips. The internet is full of opportunities to make money and provides many ways of working at home or anywhere. Claim your free videos now, you've got nothing to lose.